You've probably heard it a million times already. Not your keys, not your crypto. But what does that actually really mean? It means you're not only in charge of your investments, but you're also in charge of protecting them. And trust me, if you don't take this seriously, you might be setting yourself up for disaster. Hey my friends, the DeFi Doctor here, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters. And today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for every crypto user, crypto security. So let's get started. When I first entered the crypto world, I was all about hot wallets. They were free, easy to use, and seemed like the best option for quickly managing my assets. But after a couple close calls with phishing scams and malware attacks, I quickly realized how vulnerable they really are. I remember thinking, it's fine, nothing's gonna happen to me. And then bam, a close friend lost their entire portfolio from one phishing email. That's when I knew I needed a safer option. And that's when I started using cold wallets. So today, we're talking about hardware wallets, why they're crucial, what makes them secure, and which ones I personally think are the best for keeping your crypto safe. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which hardware wallet is right for you. I'll also walk you through setting up one, which in my opinion is still the best option in 2025. But before we get into the setup and compare all the top wallets, let's talk about what a crypto wallet actually is. When you hear people talk about a wallet in the crypto world, they're not talking about a leather wallet that holds cash. A crypto wallet is actually a digital safe that stores your private keys. These keys are like your secret access codes to your crypto. If someone else gets access to your keys, they can access and steal your crypto very easily. And if you lose your keys, there's no forgot my password button. It's gone forever. So your private key is the most important thing you own in the crypto world. Now, there are two different types of wallets, a hot wallet and a cold wallet. A hot wallet is connected to the internet all the time. It's like carrying cash in your pocket, always accessible, but also easy to lose or steal. Examples include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and the Coinbase wallet. They're free, easy to use, and great for small everyday transactions. But the problem is they're always exposed to hacks, phishing attacks, and malware. A wrong click and your funds could be gone in a split second. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline. They're physical devices that store your private keys, meaning they're not exposed to any online threats. They're like keeping your cash in a safe at home instead of in your back pocket. If you're serious about long-term crypto storage and want peace of mind, knowing your funds are secure, cold wallets are the way to go. So now, let's talk about all the top wallets in 2025 and what makes them stand out. I'll start with the Ledger Nano X. Now, when I first got into cold wallets, I decided to go with the Ledger because it had a great reputation and was widely used in the industry. And honestly, after using it for years, I can say it's still my favorite. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Ledger or any of the other companies we talk about. The Ledger Nano X is secure, mobile friendly, and Bluetooth enabled, which means I can manage my crypto directly from my phone, even when I'm on the go. For someone who's always traveling, that's a huge plus. But let me be real with you. The buttons on the Ledger feel a little bit flimsy. They're not terrible, but they don't have that premium feel you might expect from a high-end device. Every time I press them, I think, are these buttons going to last me for years to come down the road? Honestly, that's my only real complaint. When it comes to security, the secure element chip used in the Ledger is tough to beat. It's the same technology used in passports and credit cards, so it's definitely not something to take lightly. If you want a wallet that's easy to use, secure, and supports a wide range of coins, the Ledger Nano X is my go-to. I've tried other wallets, but I keep coming back to it because it offers the best balance of security and convenience. Now let's move on to Trezor. The Trezor Model T is another very popular option, and it's a solid choice for anyone who values open source software. I've used the Trezor in the past, and one of the things I like most about it is the transparency. Anyone can review the code to spot vulnerabilities. That's a huge plus because it gives me more confidence in the security of the wallet. The touch screen also is a great feature. It makes navigating the wallet feel smoother compared to using buttons like with the Ledger. But here's the thing, the Trezor Model T doesn't have a secure element chip. For a lot of people, including me, this is a deal breaker. The secure element chip is one of the main reasons I stick with Ledger. It's an extra layer of protection for your private keys, and for me, that's crucial. Now, there is a newer model called the Safe 3 or Safe 5, and that does have the secure element chip. The Trezor Model T also doesn't support anywhere near as many cryptocurrencies as the Ledger does. With that said, it is still a secure and great option. But for someone who wants that extra layer of defense and has a portfolio of perhaps too many different coins, the Ledger Nano X takes the edge. Next, we have the EliPal Titan 2.0. This wallet is an absolute fortress when it comes to security. It's air-gapped, meaning it has no connectivity to the internet at all. No USB, no Bluetooth. This makes it one of the safest wallets you can get. But here's the catch. The EliPal Titan requires you to scan QR codes for transactions, which makes it incredibly secure, but also a bit cumbersome. If you're the type of person who wants something that's super secure, but not necessarily easy to use, then the EliPal Titan is a great option. But for someone like me who values security and convenience, it's just a little bit too much of a hassle for day-to-day use. Now let's talk about the Ledger Stacks. This is Ledger's luxury model, developed by the same guy who created the iPod. It's got a beautiful e-ink touchscreen that looks sleek and is easy to navigate. But here's my issue, you're really paying for the design. Yes, it's secure, but it doesn't offer any new security features that the Ledger Nano X doesn't already have. So if you're someone who appreciates design and is willing to pay a premium for it, the Ledger Stacks might be for you. But if you're just looking for a wallet that balances security and practicality, then the Ledger Nano X once again still comes out on top in my books. So with all that said, here's why I still recommend the Ledger Nano X as the best hardware wallet in 2025. It's secure, it has Bluetooth connectivity for mobile use, and the secure element chip ensures your private keys are as safe as possible. The Ledger Nano X is the complete package. Sure, the buttons aren't the best quality, but I'm willing to trade that off for the security and convenience it provides. For me, it's the perfect balance, and it's the one I trust to keep my crypto safe. So here's a quick recap. Ledger Nano X, secure, mobile friendly, Bluetooth enabled, and has a secure element chip. Buttons feel flimsy, but it's still the best overall. The Trezor Model T, open source, touchscreen interface, but lacks support for many cryptocurrencies, and a secure element chip is missing. The EliPal Titan 2.0, ultra secure, no connectivity, but very inconvenient for everyday use. And the Ledger Stacks, beautiful design, high-end feel, but doesn't add much to security over the Nano X. Thanks for joining me today on this introduction into hardware wallets. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of which wallet could be right for you. Let me know in the comments which hardware wallet feels like the best choice for you. If this video has helped you to make a decision, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll explore how Layer 2 solutions are shaping the future of crypto. It's going to be an exciting one, so don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.